What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today we're going to be going over my car for the end of 2021. I've actually had a lot more done in this last year, so I'm kind of go over what's done to the car versus what was done last year. I'm probably not going to remember exactly everything that was done within a year, so I might be adding a few things that I've already had done to the car as well. Alright, so the big thing that's different is now I am bagged, because last year I was static and now I'm on a bag over coilover setup. So I still have my BC coilovers, but it has the bag instead of the traditional spring. So that's where the suspension is. I have different wheels. I have Vertini, I believe these are the RFS 1.5s, and I had the 1.4s last year. I was 20 by 9 all the way around, positive 35 offset. Now I'm 20 by 10, positive 35 all the way around. I did not have these door handles last year. I did have the side skirts. I don't believe I had these little winglets that matches the side skirts. Sorry. So that wasn't that. Let's see. And of course, being bagged, set up for the trunk is changed. Got the tank and compressor, and I did not have the wood flooring yet, and I did not have this box. I had the one that came with the Scar setup. So those are different. I believe I did still have my Underglow. Oh no, actually I had a different Underglow kit. Not sure if I'm gonna have time to really do that. Let me see. With it being as bright out, let's see if we can see it. Have the switch added for the Underglow. Yeah, you can't see it, which I didn't really think so. So, but this new kit, let me see. It actually has a few different modes. So the last kit I had last year was a real basic kit, and all you could really do was solid colors. But this kit can do that. So you can see a little bit here too. So this kit is brighter than the last one as well. Go back to white. It's been killing the battery until I had the switch installed by the homie Ryan. Now the battery is strong. This isn't really much of an upgrade, but I put this in for the remote, and I have one for the phone. I usually keep the remote at the top unless it's that way I can see it at eye level. But when it is hot out, I'll try to put it down there. That way it doesn't overheat or anything. Either that, or I'll place it in a little cubby thing. Because I've had a few times where I got in and that thing was just hot to the touch. Yeah. So yeah. But overall, I still have the star headliner. I have the lights in the actual seat. Under the seat. I'm not sure if I had these gloss pillars or not. I do need to reorder because one of them came off. It was on eBay. They were really cheap. This is a different front splitter. It's the same. It's from the same company, but the other one broke. So, also the front bumper has been repainted, and this fender has been repaired and painted as well. But yeah, and I still have my Vibrant 1046 mufflers with the custom bigger tips as well, and my Still in rear diffuser. But yeah, the car is a lot different than it was last year. With the suspension and wheels alone, it's a lot different. Oh yeah, technically I had these, but I misplaced them. But I recently found them, so I forgot what I had on them last year. But yeah, car is definitely looking pretty good. I'm not sure what else I'll be doing next to it, if anything. I did want to finish the audio, that way it sounds completely different and didn't just have the heavy bass, because that's all I really have right now. I did want to do the interior seats as well, like the homie Eddie Spaghetti. But that's if I keep the car, I'll go ahead and go that route. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I do have a couple of sets of wheels that I was thinking about getting redone, painted different color and throwing it on here. I still love these wheels, don't get me wrong, but just to kind of do something different. Don't know yet. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the car. But I would like to say we're gonna do the comment of the day as well. So the comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, just make sure to leave a comment and we'll go through and randomly select one for the next video. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.